Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. I'm a full-time voiceover artist and audiobook narrator. My channel is dedicated to those of you that are just getting started out in this wonderful world of voiceover and audiobook narration. And through my channel, I share with you some of the techniques I use every day in my own voiceover business, and I answer your questions. Today, I'm going to address a question that I received recently and that I have actually heard a handful of times before in throughout the course of my adventures in voiceover. And that is, why is it that this voice actor is doing so much better than I am? Or this voice actor has been doing this the same amount of time that I have. Why is everybody getting more business than me? Why is everybody else doing so much better than I am? What's wrong with me? So that's what we're going to talk about today. And if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get into it. So, for those of you that don't know, I started in voiceover in June of 2018. I've been full time for about a year and a half now. And during that time, I have heard this many, many times. And that is, what am I doing wrong? Why does those voice actors over there, why are they doing so much better than I am? They just started, or they started way after me, or, whatever the question may be, that perhaps you feel that you are doing something wrong. There is something wrong with you, and you're not seeing the success that others are in maybe a shorter time frame or the same time frame. And my response to that is that it's maybe we need to take a step back and take a really hard look at maybe some of your demos. Maybe we need to take a look at your plan. Are you marketing? Are you putting in the same amount of effort or the same amount of quality as the other guy? And I'm not trying to be mean, but I mean, if there is something that is keeping you from seeing the success that you think you should, because this voice actor over here, may sound similar to you, or, maybe they started after you and they're just doing so much better than you. The cold hard truth is that maybe we need to take a really good look at some of the aspects of your business. There might be something broken in there that needs to be fixed. You know, are you on more than one freelance marketplace? Maybe we need to maybe we need to take a really good look at your demo or listen to your demo. Is there something that needs to be tweaked? Does it need to be refreshed? Have you not done another demo in 2 years? What is it that is holding you back that maybe you need to take a really hard look at? Is the other guy marketing, or are you not marketing? Or is the other guy on several different voiceover platforms and you're on one, right? It might not be your delivery, or it might not be your voice. It might be maybe there's a little bit of echo in your deliveries. Maybe there is maybe a little bit of a tweak of EQ that we can apply. Take a real good look at, or listen to some of the other users on any of the platforms, and then take a real good look at some of yours. How do they compare? Do they sound similar in quality? Not necessarily your voice or your accent or anything of that nature, but I mean the quality. Does it sound, do you hear echo? Do you hear mouth noise? Do you hear a dog barking in the background, right? Is there something in there that perhaps you have overlooked? And there's nothing that says that you can't reach out to some of your peers. Reach out to that guy and just say, hey, do you have an extra minute? Can you take a listen to one of my demos and tell me what you hear? Be critical. Tell me what I need to fix, right? Or maybe you need a little bit of extra coaching in delivery types, or maybe you have a Fiverr gig that's got a 10-day delivery time and most of the clients don't want to wait that long. I mean, it could be a vast number of different reasons that you're not seeing the success as somebody else. But that still doesn't mean that there's something wrong with you. It is something that perhaps needs to be tweaked. Maybe there is more effort or marketing or more demos, more platforms. There really must be something in there that is broken and that needs to be tweaked and really taken a good look at. And again, I'm not trying to be mean. I've had to do this with myself. I had to take a step back about a year in and just say, okay, this is what I want, and this is how I'm going to get there. I'm going to take a look at some of the other voiceover actors that I know and that I admire, and then I want to be where they are. I want what they have. So I'm going to take a really good hard look at their profiles, take a real hard listen to their demos. I'm going to look at their websites. I'm going to look at everything that they do and analyze it. And because it's obviously working, right? If I found them, that means other people are going to find them, and they're doing very, very well. So they're doing something right. And I want to discover what that is. What is it that they're doing, or how much of what they're doing, where, that I can replicate to see the same success or more success, right? And sometimes really that question in your head about not doing as well as somebody else is sometimes a little bit of the imposter syndrome, right? That you are holding yourself back because you don't feel that you are deserving of that success, or you don't think that you can earn that success or that business because you don't think the clients are going to like you, or that your demo's not good enough. Right? So if you're not seeing the success that this person or this person is seeing, or that you just don't feel that you are where you need to be, then take a step back, take a look inside, and really determine, is it imposter syndrome, right? Or is it really something in your business plan or your everyday business marketing, demos, gigs, whatever it is something in there broken? Is there something in there that needs to be improved or refreshed? Is it your pricing? Is it your website or the non-existence of your website? What is it that is needing maybe an overhaul, right? You can totally do that. You can take what you have and take a real hard look at it and just say, okay, I need to fix this. I want to work on this, and I want to work on this. And don't overwhelm yourself in that process. Take a hard look at your business. Write everything down that you see that you would like to refresh, change, update, whatever, or add. Write it all down in an agenda book and address a couple things every day. And then you will start to see small improvements, small gains here and there. And then you'll start to regain that confidence, right? And again, I completely understand how this works because I've been there. I've done this. And I am finally at a place where I think I'm very comfortable and I'm very happy with the way things have turned out. But it did take a lot of work. It did take a lot of hard looks at myself and my business and deciding what I needed to improve. But I got in there and I improved it, and this is where I am now, and I'm very comfortable with where I am. And here I am again. I think I'm just rambling. But I hope that makes sense to you, and I encourage you, if you feel, again, that you feel you're not in the place where you should be, then take a hard look at your business and see what you need to improve upon, refresh, add, change, remove. I really hope that helps kind of inspire you to take a real hard look at your business plan, your profiles, your demos, and make some steps forward. If you did find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I really appreciate that. If you'd like more information about me, my work, or how I can help you get started in voiceover, check out my website at voiceoverangela.com. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.